You saw the title.
Okay.
So I think when Luigi was frozen, I think this is when he got taken to the simulation.
Gee, it sure is boring around here.
And when Meggy and Mario were distracted getting the food. This is prob when he got everyone else. And this is why he was crazy.
Okay.
And I don't know how he got Meggy. But when Tori was suspicious about the train, Wren can control him to make her think as if it was nothing.
Something's off. Something's really off. What? What do you mean?
And that was when Wren noticed. Meggy didn't like that things were crazy and made them calm down, I think.
What the hell is going on?
Tori was still suspicious about it, but still Wren made her think it was nothing.
Tori? Where am I?
They were already dead, but Wren made Meggy think that they were alive.
Really here? We never even made it to the west. They kidnapped us while we were on the train. And our real bodies were put inside pods hooked up to a big